This video explains how to install a fluorescent fitting. There are two methods of flaring: hot flaring and cold flaring. First of all, we will explain the hot flaring method. What you need to prepare is a hot flaring tool and a heat gun. Please prepare a heat gun that is commercially available. You can use a commercially available wrench, but it is better to use our special wrench that is lightweight and easy to use even in places with dense piping. Insert the tube with desired length into a union nut. And then fit the impact ring. Tilt the tube about 45 degrees with respect to the hot air outlet and heat the edge of the tube evenly while rotating it slowly. As a guide, heat the tube about 15 to 30 seconds at a heat gun temperature of 450 degrees. Overheating will melt the tube and make it transparent. Please be careful not to melt it. Quickly insert the tube into the flaring tool and continue pushing firmly to the step. Take the tube off the tool when it got cold enough to touch. The tube edge is flared. Insert the tube fitting body into the flared tube. You will see the clearance between the tube fitting body and the flared part. The flared tube must cover more than half of the straight part of the fitting. Tighten the union nut until its projections touch with a click gauge. Tighten the nut further until you hear click sound. Now, installation complete. This is the cold flaring method. Proceed a tube into a flatted shape without heating. What you need to prepare is a cold flaring tool, attachment, and a pressing tool. Please prepare a pressing tool by yourself, as it is not sold by PISCO. As with the hot flaring, insert a tube with desired length into a union nut, and then fit the impact ring. Set the tube to the pressing tool. The length of the tube should be slightly longer than the flaring length. The tube could crease if too long. Press in and remove the flaring tool 2 to 3 times repeatedly. Press the tube to the step. If it hits the step, do not push it any further. When it becomes a flat shape, insert the tube fitting body into the flatted tube and tighten it with a union nut in the same way as hot flaring. Connect the cold flared tube to a fitting immediately After flattening process, the flat part shrinks as time passes and cannot be connected to a fitting. For any questions, please contact us or your nearest sales office.